Hey! I hear me, Baby.
You did not go to fellowship
No, we
again.
are close.
You
So this is what they used to do if I'm not around.
Yes.
You know, as the caretaker of this house, I saw this boy doing
Photo. Not be juju be that.
I said, let me check it.
Hey! You're a joker!
For those of you that is watching, keep on watching. This is School 2 Comedy. Make sure you subscribe. Help us to share. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed this.